In my last video, I told you about Shilpa Shetty's defamation suit against media and the 25 crore compensation that she has demanded along with an apology from mainstream media and platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube for publishing slanderous content against her. But the Bombay High Court today came down heavily on her, refusing to restrain the media organizations and the social media platforms from publishing information related to her and her husband Raj Kundra, who has been arrested for allegedly producing and distributing porn films. Hearing the matter, Justice Gautam Patel said what Shilpa Shetty is seeking in her plea will have a chilling effect on the freedom of press. He added that the reportage of something based on what the police have said is not defamatory. In her plea, Shilpa Shetty had objected to certain media channels carrying news reports about her breaking down when Mumbai Police officials took Raj Kundra to their residence for searches last week. Now, appearing for Shilpa Shetty, advocate Biren Saraf objected to such reports, arguing that it was something that happened between a husband and a wife and should not have been reported. However, Justice Patel said that the act of Shilpa Shetty breaking down took place in front of the outsiders and it was reported from the crime branch sources. The court in fact added that Shilpa Shetty is a public figure and also held that such articles are not defamatory. The exact words of the judge were, "You chose a public life. Your life is under a microscope." Firstly, articles saying that she cried and fought with her husband when her statement was recorded is not defamatory. It only shows that she is also human. After hearing the plea, the court specified in its order, no part of this order should be construed as a gag on the media. I am making no order, but this is not refusal of interim or ad interim relief that is being sought by Shilpa Shetty either. Justice Gautam Patel also clarified in his order that none of the reportage on Shilpa Shetty should pertain to the parenting of her children. That part is protected by her right of privacy under the wide protection recognized by the freedom of press to be balanced with the right of privacy. The High Court was hearing a petition filed by Shilpa Shetty, as I told you yesterday, that was seeking an order to restrain publication of incorrect, false, malicious and defamatory information against her on social media and news websites in connection with the arrest of her husband Raj Kundra in the porn film racket case. Meanwhile, some of the content creators and media channels who were named in Shilpa Shetty's complaint did take down some of the videos that they had made that she alleged were insulting in nature. The court has said that these videos that have been taken down should not be re-uploaded. So net neither is Shilpa Shetty getting those 25 crores from any media channel nor an explicit apology. Meanwhile, Raj Kundra's anticipatory bail order will be pronounced only on Monday, that is 2nd of August, as the Mumbai Sessions Court was adjourned today due to the lack of time. So it's weekend in jail for Raj Kundra. Well, that ends this story, but tomorrow I start my class on kickstarting your career in media and journalism. A lot of you had asked me to take up this course and now I am doing this with Graphy by Unacademy. A lot of you have already subscribed and enrolled for this class. It's going to go on for 5 Saturdays starting tomorrow, which is 31st July, and it starts at 6 p.m. India time. So any of you who still want to enroll, there are still 8 seats left. So in case you are still considering it, please do it now. The link is in the description. Go ahead and register yourself. There is a nominal, very nominal fee for these 5 Saturdays, an entire course, which is also a certificate course. The certificate will be issued, signed by me, and it will be given to you by Graphy by Unacademy. And of course, at the end of it, some select students will get a chance to intern with me on my YouTube channel. It could be remote, or if you're in Dubai, then it could be a physical internship as well. So for now, if any of you want to join in, there's still some time left. Go ahead and enroll yourself. I'll see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. India time. Of course, you can connect with me on Instagram and on Facebook. It's @ReviewRon. Subscribe here if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't do any of these things, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Jai Hind.